In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transparent background to video in Shotcut. By the end, you'll know how to replace those default black bars with a clean image background, perfect for vertical content or any custom canvas you're working with. First, set up your project so the background space is exactly what you need. At the top of Shotcut, go to Settings, then Video Mode. Scroll down to Custom, click Add, and change the aspect ratio from 16.9 to 9:16. This vertical format is great for shorts and stories. Adjusting the aspect ratio at the start ensures the entire project is framed correctly and avoids surprises later. Next, bring in the image you want to use as your background. Drag it into the playlist or directly into the timeline. With the image clip selected, go to the Filters tab, click the plus sign, and search for Size, Position, and Rotate. Apply that filter, then scale and position the image so it fills the entire screen. This step is important because it guarantees the background covers the full canvas, leaving no gaps. Now, create a layer for your main video. On the top left of the timeline, click the small hamburger icon, choose Track Operations, and then add Video Track. This gives you a new track above the background image. Drag your main video onto this new track so it sits above the image. With the video on the upper track and the image below, you've effectively replaced the default black background with your chosen image. At this point, you should see your video overlaid on the image background. If needed, you can fine-tune the scale and position of either layer using the same size, position, and rotate filter to make everything look balanced and intentional. A quick tip, keep an eye on the edges of your video in the 9:16 frame so nothing important gets cropped. Before you move on, don't forget to match the duration of the background image to the length of your video. In the timeline, drag the right edge of the image clip so it lines up with the end of your video clip. This prevents the background from disappearing mid-playback. That's it. Your video now has an image background instead of black, thanks to the aspect ratio change and layered tracks. If this walkthrough helped you, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials.